How to fix ChatGPT Ghibli style not working. Let's get started. First, launch your ChatGPT app or navigate to the website of ChatGPT, provide your credentials and log into your account. You don't need any subscription or ChatGPT Pro versions to access this feature. Once logged in, you can click on this plus icon. Select the option Photos. Now from your gallery, select the picture that you want to convert to the Ghibli style. Now here, provide a prompt. Regenerate this picture in Ghibli style. Now wait for a few minutes. With this, your picture will be converted into the Ghibli style. Make sure the prompt is specific enough. If it is consuming a lot of time, you can close ChatGPT, again relaunch the ChatGPT and repeat this process. Next thing you want to do is log out of your ChatGPT account. Again, log in back and then try this. In case you are using the web version, clear cache for the ChatGPT. If you're using the app, delete the app from your device. Then again, reinstall it. After you do that, log into your account again. Click on the plus icon, select the picture, provide the prompt. Wait for some time, and your picture will be regenerated in the Ghibli style. As right now it is in the trend, this system might get overloaded, filtered, or it just does not render that soft. This issue is temporary, so you can try after some time. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.